Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making a simple dish, 干锅腊肉花菜, bacon and cauliflower in savory pot. Here are the ingredients: a head of cauliflower, 2 hot peppers, garlics, dry red chili, Sichuan peppercorn, and of course, my homemade smoked Chinese bacon. You can also use regular smoked bacon as well. For preparation, we need to cut the dry red chili into pieces. Then chop up the garlics and hot pepper. Finally, split the cauliflower into small pieces. Wash and soak in cold water for a few minutes. For the Chinese bacon, I've already boiled it for 30 minutes. Now I only need to slice it into thin slices. If you're using regular bacon, cut the long strips into shorter pieces. If you have a savory pot that can be heated for serving, you can julienne some onions to be laid at the bottom. Else, you can skip this step. With the heated pot, the onion can add extra fragrance and flavor to the dish during serving. Now we need to boil some hot water and blanch the cauliflowers for a minute with some salt and oil. Drain the cauliflower after blanching. For cooking, we are going to saute the bacons first to cook the fat out of the bacons and make the bacon a little bit crispier. Then add the garlics, dry chili, and Sichuan peppercorn to cook the flavor out of them, followed by the hot peppers. After a minute, put in the blanched cauliflower for the final saute. For seasoning, we only need to add some soy sauce depending on the saltiness of the bacon you have. Also, some sugar to balance the saltiness. Toss everything a few times and move the final dish into the savory pot for serving. Hope you learned how to make this simple dish. Thanks for watching. See you next time.